Maker 34, shots fired, 2865 Crown Point Ave, 2865 Crown Point Ave. Shot spotters picked up 1 round. Maker 34.
Clear.
Clear, Baker 34.
Baker 34.
34, we talked to several parties in the area and all advised fireworks, tanks, etc.
2241.
365, can you investigate a complaint of fireworks in the area of 19th and W, 19th and W's and William? Anonymous caller states fireworks being lit, doesn't see anything. 365.
Clear.
2147.
365.
365.
I'm arriving. Did the caller want to be seen?
65 caller does not want to be seen. 365.
Clear. 10-8 code 5. I can go to the domestic in my area.
6-3, can you investigate a fireworks complaint? 37th and F is in Frank, 37 and F. Anonymous caller hears him, doesn't see anybody. 6-3.
Clear.
Fireworks complaint at 15507 Lehman Circle, 15507 Lehman Circle. In the area, no caller to be seen. Won't patrol 11. 11,
that's clear. I will handle that by myself and in service.
Clear. Won't patrol 13 in service.
M82, 2250, and start towards Fairway Apartments at 5405 South 101st Plaza, 5405 South 101 Plaza. Anonymous caller. Heard one loud gunshot in the area. Nothing seen though. It's for shots fired. 1M82.
On patrol 11.
156 Dodge.
Fireworks complaint, 15200 Military, 15200 Military Road. Anonymous caller advised someone shooting fireworks. Patrol 11.
Clear.
2310.
On 55 Lamont Street, 12155 Lamont. Caller complaining of large fireworks in the area. Came in at 2132 hours. 1 out of 84.
Clear.
78, if you could take that firework complaint, Lakeview Drive and Orchard Avenue, Lakeview Drive, Orchard Avenue. Just be advised this is the same one that's been holding since 2135. I've got no answer when trying to call the caller back. 1 Adam 78.
Clear.
0106. 87, can you check a firework complaint? 156 and F, 156 and F. A loud M80 type firework. Caller says going off about every 45 minutes. 1 Adam 87.
Clear.
0107.